How to fix live access is needed to go live as a guest on TikTok. Let's get started. First, you'll need to check whether you are able to go live on your TikTok or not. For that, you'll need to fulfill these requirements: be at least 18 years to go live, have 1,000 followers to go live. If you fulfill these requirements, you'll be able to go live as a guest on TikTok. However, joining as a guest may have different requirements. Ensure you are using the latest version of TikTok. To check that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app TikTok. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, verify account status. Ensure your account is in good standing and has not violated any community guidelines which could restrict live access. To join live as a guest, you will need to request it. When watching a live stream, look for the multi-guest or similar icon. Tap it to send a request to join as a guest. Likewise, some features may not be available in all regions. Ensure that guest live streaming is supported in your area. Likewise, as a last resort, what you can do is, you can reach out to the TikTok support team. For that, click on 3 bars given at the top right corner. Navigate to the option Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way down, click on Report a Problem. Now scroll down, click on Chat with us. Now here you can explain about the issue that you are unable to join as a guest on TikTok even though you fulfill all the requirements. So this is how you can fix live access is needed to go live as a guest on TikTok. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.